Hi everyone, Susan Moffat here, Realtor with Century 21 In-Studio Realty. I'm at my new listing. We're here on Camp Oliver Road and we have a real treat for you. It's a lovely 12 plus acre property with a couple of eco ponds, trails, a 3-bedroom home, detached garage that could be converted into a nice little shop or barn, and just steps away from 400 acres of managed forest trails. Let's go and take the tour. For more information on this lovely rural retreat, contact Susan Moffat, Realtor with Century 21 In-Studio Realty.